So you actually want to be going to set up a YouTube channel in 2022, but you don't really know how to do it, or you want to do it correctly. This video is going to be demonstrating how you can properly set up your YouTube channel for success in the future and the fundamentals that you actually need to bring when creating a YouTube channel. So let's get into it. So opening up a incognito window for you guys, reason being is because I actually have a YouTube channel, but this is going to be a step-by-step process on how to do it from scratch. So what you're going to want to do is actually go to the top right hand corner, go to sign in. And what you're going to want to do is either, if you already have an existing Gmail account, then sign in with that. Or if you want to create a new one, just simply go to create account. And you can say for myself, for my child, or for my business. Now, if you are actually going to want to do YouTube for a business, it doesn't really matter if you say for myself or to manage my business. So for this example, we'll just go to myself. And so first name and last name, this will not show on YouTube. So you can do whatever your first and last name is. So for me, I can do Brandon and I can just do Blaze. Then your email address associated with your Gmail account. This could be either a business email or a related email that you want for your YouTube channel. So let's say, for example, you're doing a tech channel about headphones, for example. So you could do headphone reviews 101 at gmail.com. And this email is already taken. So we'll say create a new email, and you can do headphones reviews 101 at gmail.com. And if it's already taken, then you can use something like headphones 502 if you want to, and you have to make a password. So for this example, I just did this, then you're going to want to say next. So my password has to be stronger. After you've done that, you can enter in a recovery email and a recovery phone number. This is optional, but I do recommend it for security purposes. And enter in your birthday. It can be whatever. And like, I don't know, 997. Whoops, 1997. Oh, 999, that's good enough. And you can say male or female, or rather not say. So for this, rather not say. And after accepting the terms and conditions, you are brought to YouTube's homepage. So what you're going to want to do is this. So in the top right hand corner, you have your profile, and what you're going to want to do is go to create a channel. And your name could be headphone reviews, for example, and you can say create a channel. After you've done this, what you are going to want to do is go to customize channel, and this is just welcoming you to the YouTube studio where you pretty much manage everything. And what you're going to want to do first of all is go to branding, and you want to upload a profile picture. There'll be another video on this where you can actually follow along how to easily create a free and simple logo. Logos don't really matter, but it does matter to have a logo, at least some type of logo at the start, and you can always change it in the future. But for now, I'm just going to leave it at H. And your profile banner, if you do not know what a profile banner is, it's pretty much this. A profile banner is what's up top in the banner section on mobile, desktop, and TV. And pretty much it's saying what you are, and what you're going to want to do is an affirmation of what you do. So for example, we could say headphone reviews, the best headphone reviews on YouTube, and let's say you upload one video a week, so video every week. And what you can do is you can link it to your social medias if you have other social medias for that particular account. So you could have a Facebook, a Twitter, a Twitch, or an Instagram, or you can have merchandise down the line. And after you've done that, then you can easily add a watermark. A watermark is that little section where you see on desktop the grayed out section, and you can say upload, and you can say something like subscribe, or you can have your profile picture. So for this recommendation of the video watermark, what you can do is you can simply come to Google and you can type in subscribe 150x150, which is the aspect ratio of what you need, and you can just right click, go to save image, then go back to customize channel and go to upload. And if we go to our desktop and we say subscribe, and you're going to want to set a display time to entire video and click on publish. And banner, for example, we're going to be taking a banner from one of my old YouTube channels, and this is one for my tech channel. So this is pretty much what it's going to be look like. And as you can see, it's got your name, what you do, and a video every week. New video dropping 9:30 a.m. every Friday, Australian Central Standard Time. And you say done and let that load. Then let's say upload image. Let's say you've made some sort of logo, and we'll just use another logo for example, and we'll use my tech channel as an example. So this is your profile picture, and after you say publish, and after that is done, you will say view channel. And right now it won't actually change. It might take a couple of hours depending on how long they want to take, but this will change and you will have a YouTube banner. And then after you've done branding, what you're going to want to do is go to basic information, and for this description you can just say who you are. So you can say this is the best YouTube channel, and that's pretty much what I would do. I wouldn't go super in depth because you really don't need to. Nearly no one reads this. And you would say copy, and you don't need to change a language unless you really want to. Like for example, you might be doing this in Spanish, you might need to add Spanish. And links, you can add your Instagram, say Instagram, and it could be whatever is like www.instagram.com/headphone reviews. It could be something like this.com. And pretty much it would look like this. It would look like Linus Tech Tips. It would look like this little logo. And that's pretty much how you would do it. So then after you've done that, then you can choose a links on banner. It can be none, first 2 links, first 3 links, first 4 links, or first 5 links. It's totally up to you what you do. Depending on how many social medias you have, you might have 3, you might have 5. And for contact information, let's say you have let's say for example you just want to stick to the same email, and it could be headphone reviews 502@gmail.com, and then it could link to your associated emails. And let's say for example a ambassador wants to reach out to you, they can just email you. And other than that, I would also go to settings in the bottom left hand corner, and I would set some defaults. So currency, you can do whatever country you live in. So I live in Australia, so I would do Australian dollar. And a select country of residence, I would say Australia. And the keywords are things that are relating to your specific channel. So if you're doing videos on headphones, you would say headphone, then separate it with a comma, then headphone, and pretty much I would use all the characters I can, and I would try to max this out of 500. So you pretty much get the idea of that. Advanced settings, I leave this on no, set this channel not made for kids, because every time you upload a video it will ask you is it made for kids, and you don't want to always tick no. So if you set the default to no, then it's just automatically going to do it for you. So that's one less thing you have to worry about when it comes to actually uploading your content. Then if we scroll down, then don't show potentially inappropriate words in captions if people are using captions. Then after you've done that, you want to go to feature legibility, and if you want videos over 15 minutes long, you can just do a authenticator, and it's very simple to do. And after you've done that, you can click on save. In the upload default sections, I would just leave this blank. I would leave the titles at 50 characters max, and your description, I would do 2 sentences, 2 popping sentences about the video, whatever it may be, then a 150 character description of what the video is about, Then if you got affiliate links, I would say affiliate links. Then I would also include bonus check out other videos, and these are going to be your videos or other people's videos about headphones. I would primarily work more towards promoting your own content. So video 1 could be Sony headphones, video 2 could be Beats headphones, and video 3, for example, could be Apple headphones. And I would leave a disclaimer if you have any affiliate links. So affiliate disclaimer. And I would just say something simple like, we use affiliate sometimes, and pretty much I would just type in a Word document and you can copy and paste it, or you can put it directly into your description. And I would say what headphones reviews is about, and then I would fill it out more with whatever you think is relating to your channel. And then down here I would add the hashtags, so 1, 2, 3 hashtags. I would just leave it at this because different videos might require different things. So for example, you can say headphone review, and let's say you're doing a Sony, let's say for example you've uploaded a video and you're doing a Sony headphone review, so Sony, then Sony headphones. I would do something like this. And for visibility, I would always keep on unlisted. And tags, I would add some tags that are always going to be related to your content. So for this example, I would use my channel name, such as headphone reviews, headphones, and pretty much I would fill it out with enough keywords that YouTube understands what our channel is about. And then when it comes to actually doing tags, what you're going to want to do is target tags that are directly relating to your upload. So if you're doing Sony headphones, you might want to do Sony headphones, Sony WH-1000s, Sony XMPs, for example. And all these ones here, you're just going to want to leave them in your tags, so then YouTube can actually know what the video is about. And under advanced settings, I would put in category, so this would be entertainment. License, I would leave as standard. I would leave auto captioning on. Video language, I would set to English if it is in English. So where is English? There it is. Caption certification, you can just leave it blank. Title, you can put into English if it is English once again. And comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments, leave it as it is, and show you how many viewers like this video. That's totally fine as well. At standard, unless you have a manager, then you can invite them if you want to via their email, and you can select what type of access that they would have. And community, I leave this at default, and default I leave also at default. Agreements, I leave at default as well. That's pretty much how I had set up your YouTube channel as how it should be. As for uploading, there'll be another video on that, how you can actually more optimize your videos as they come out, as well as putting it together with this video as your meta tags that you've put in, such as your description of your description in your descriptions list of your channel, and the tags that you have already put in place before the tags that you're going to be structuring around your video. But other than that, I hope this video helps. And remember, I did this in 20 minutes. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, just dedicate 20 minutes to setting up a YouTube channel for success. Remember to smash like on this video, subscribe to the channel, also check out another video here. And other than that,